Hello students, I am Poulami ma'am and welcome to Concept to Remember series of Augury.
Today's video, we are starting something super exciting. Your Class 7 Science journey with the first chapter from your NCERT book Curiosity, the ever-evolving world of science. What is science really? Now tell me honestly, do you think science is just about reading textbook and memorizing answers? No, not at all. You already learned in class 6 that science is a way of thinking, a way of asking questions, a way of exploring the world around you. Science is everywhere. It can be as tiny as studying cells inside a leaf, or as huge as studying stars and galaxies. What changes in class 7? In class 7, things get more interesting. Now you won't just learn facts. You will start asking deeper questions like, how do things work? Why do they happen? What patterns do we see in nature? And here's the most important thing. Science is not limited to your classroom. You must observe your surroundings. Do experiment. Stay curious all the time. Science never stops. Science is like a never-ending story. One discovery leads to another question, and that question leads to another discovery, and it continues. Branches of science. Science is divided into physics, chemistry, biology, earth science. But remember, these are all connected. For example, X-rays were discovered in physics, but today they are used in medical science, which is part of biology. You should keep in mind that science is not only about discovery and inventions, but also a great responsibility. Human activities are linked to the natural world. As a young scientist, one should not only explore, discover, and invent new things, but also address environmental challenges and build a sustainable world. What will you learn this year? The first chapter of this book is the introduction of the topics that you are going to study in class 7. It begins with the chapter Exploring Substance, Acid, Basic and Neutral, where you will learn why lemon tastes sour, why turmeric stain on your shirt turns red while washing with detergent. Then, in the next chapter, you will learn about electricity, circuits and components, where you will learn how a bulb glows, why some materials are used to make wires and others are not. This will lead us to the next chapter, metals and non-metals. See changes around us all the time, like melting of ice, rusting of iron. You are going to study about these changes in the chapter Changes Around Us, Physical and Chemical Change. Changes not only happen in the surroundings but also happen in our own body, especially at your age when you are going through a transition period from childhood to adulthood. We say this period adolescence, a stage of growth and change, which will be your next chapter. Some of the changes in the surroundings happens due to increase in temperature, such as melting of ice, formation of steam, etc. The increase in temperature takes place due to heat transfer, which will be the topic of your next chapter. Some of the changes happen quickly, and some changes take a lot of time to happen. What is time? How it is measured and how it is related to motion is studied in the chapter Measurement of Time and Motion. The growth that you notice in you and your friend did not happen suddenly. It took time and also happened due to various life processes that took place in your body, like digestion of food, respiration, circulation, etc. These life processes are not only important to humans but also to animals. You will study about these processes in the chapter Life Processes in Animals. These life processes are not only important in animals but they are also important in plants, which are studied in the next chapter Life Processes in Plants.
Sunlight plays an essential role in the growth of plant. Light also plays an essential role in our life. What is light and how does it affect us will be studied in the chapter Light, Shadows and Reflection. In the last chapter, you are going to study about the earth, moon and the sun and how they affect each other and us. So this year, don't just study science, experience it, question it, explore it. Because science is not just a subject, it is a way of understanding the world. Before leaving, frame questions for the following answers and write it in the comment section. Answer 1. Just add some milk. Answer 2. Don't panic, I have towel. Answer 3. 42. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till then, happy self-study and see you in the next lesson.